Understanding antibiotics.
Antibiotics are medicines designed to fight bacterial infections. While they save lives by killing harmful bacteria, they often don't distinguish between good and bad microbes. This means beneficial bacteria in the gut can also be affected, which can influence digestion, immunity, and overall health. Understanding how antibiotics work is the first step to protecting your gut.
Your gut microbiome explained.
The gut microbiome is home to trillions of microorganisms. These bacteria help digest food, produce vitamins, and support the immune system. A healthy, diverse microbiome is important for overall well-being. Disruptions, such as those from antibiotics, can upset this balance, sometimes leading to digestive problems or increased risk of certain illnesses.
How antibiotics affect gut health?
When you take antibiotics, they can reduce both harmful and beneficial bacteria. This may cause side effects like diarrhea or indigestion, and in some cases, pave the way for less desirable bacteria to multiply. The extent of these effects depends on the type, strength, and duration of antibiotic use.
Restoring gut balance after antibiotics.
After a course of antibiotics, your gut microbiome begins to recover, but the process can take time. Eating a diet rich in fiber, fermented foods like yogurt and kefir, and possibly taking probiotics may help restore beneficial bacteria. Drinking plenty of water and avoiding unnecessary antibiotics also support gut recovery.
When to seek medical advice.
If you experience persistent digestive issues after using antibiotics, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can check for complications such as infections by antibiotic-resistant bacteria and help tailor a recovery plan for your gut health. Taking antibiotics only when prescribed can help protect your microbiome in the future.